Today we're featuring a 2015 Nissan Rogue Select. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got 33,000 miles on them. It's platinum graphite in color. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start down here on the driver's side. Everything looks really good here. No problems at all. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Okay, it is an all-wheel drive. It is equipped with the backup camera. Exterior of this Rogue's in really good shape. Alright, it is a 15, but it only has 33,000 miles on it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the two-tone door panels. We've got the black with the gray. Power locks, power windows. Gray cloth. Driver's seat looks good. No problems at all. Maybe just slight fading right here in the back corner. Okay, you can see it kind of like a little stain right there. Not bad. Okay, you just barely notice that, but you can see just a little bit of it there. Alright, it does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good too. Alright, just a small little stain right there on the seat. Alright, really minor stuff here though. Alright, it is a 2015. Automatic. There's your climate control area there. Got your AM, FM, CD player. Your backup camera will be right there. Alright, it is equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, and here's your all-wheel drive lock and power mirrors. Okay, so we'll go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 33,957 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, go ahead and see the display, the AM, FM, CD player. Let's go ahead and engage your backup camera. Okay, climate control area. Alright, your automatic transmission. Alright, turned the car on about 5 minutes ago. The AC is already blowing cold, no problems there. Alright, let's take a look in the back seat and your storage space. Door panels look good. Back seat cloth's in great shape. No problems back here at all. Well taken care of. Alright, even the carpet back here is in great shape, okay? We can give you the driver's eye view, the layout of the dash. Alright, to be a 2015, it's only got 33,000 miles on it. It's in really good shape, inside and out. Go ahead and lift the lift gate there. Carpet back here looks good. Alright, and you can see how much room there is. There's a ton of space back here. It's got a nice carpet mat here that'll come up. Get a little more storage under here. Okay, and then these seats come down pretty easy. There's a little knob right here. Just pull that up. Seats go down. Pull that up. Okay, and you can really see how it opens it up back here now, okay? Ton of room back here. Super easy to get the seats back up. Simply just lift them up. Oh, there we go. That one got caught on the front seat there. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys on here. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Nissan Rogue Select. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got 33,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's a great vehicle. It's been well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.